be talking about the Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation. My favorite thing about this foundation is the price point. So if you're looking for an affordable product which is safe to use, comes from a well-known brand, well, the brand is Lakme and the price is rupees 145 for a 27 ml bottle. Talking about the bottle, guys, I'm not a big fan of the packaging because the product is extremely runny, and when you're pouring this on your hand, be very careful, otherwise you might end up spilling and wasting a little bit of the product. It comes in only 4 shades, and once you've found the right shade, for me it's Natural Pearl. Working with this product is extremely easy. It gives you a feather light finish, it's an oil-free formula, water resistant, and it also gives you a matte finish. However, the problem lies in the fact that this foundation does not give you a very high coverage, and it only lasts for a couple of hours. So use a primer, and you can build up your coverage by using 2 coats of this foundation. That should be very easy. You can use a blender, you can use your fingers, you can use your brush, so it's very beginner friendly as well. And then just top it off with a little bit of your compact powder. You can also use some concealer on the side. It has a very mild cosmetic fragrance which I actually like. Overall, a pretty good buy for anyone looking for an affordable foundation and who doesn't mind spending a little extra time in building up the product coverage. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now.